Duale bende nobedo e tago maliet kod dhoge migao mane omako machon mar jolweny ewi jotelo moko e tiyo gi mwandu jolweny. Duale olero ni mana apis jatend piny kod first lady ma oyienegi tiyo kod kalapapla mar jolweny ma ok joma moko e piny owacho.
Seen other public officers other than the president, who is the commander-in-chief, used in military choppers to move around the country, and other members of the public office who are not in the military. And also, there is a word.
You're talking of civilians? Because military officers are also public officers.
Yeah, like like the deputy president, like the ministers. This is something that I've never seen for some time. So I wanted just him to clarify whether also deputy president is allowed to use military choppers, or was it misuse of power in your... Because it's something that I've never seen with the previous ministers.
Yeah, Mr. Speaker, let me say it because it gave me a lot of bad publicity. But when you serve in a public office, that's part of life. Within the reading and the instruction of the Commander-in-Chief, at the Ministry of Defense, the Commander-in-Chief is the President. The President and the First Lady are the people allowed to use military air assets with a rider. If the Commander-in-Chief allows the Speaker of the National Assembly to be airlifted from Nairobi to Bungoma, that is in order, but with the concurrence of the Commander-in-Chief. I don't know, I don't think the rank and the file and the leadership of the Defense Ministry fear me. Maybe my style. And I'll take the same style to Forest. I'll take the same style. I had the same style in Parliament.
We have no evidence that they fear you, Mukami.